Chancey? He thinks every dog is a puppy. That's the only problem. They're not all puppies.
9 years old. She loves kids.
Well, he don't know how to play with a dog, so watch out, please. Hey, Mabel. Chancey, don't start jumping on Miss Mabel. Hi. Yeah, he thinks every dog is a puppy. I'm afraid for him. Lord knows I am.
Yeah, and you have to eat.
Yeah, they do. No fear, little kids.
That one doesn't. He does. He's actually always been.
That dog. He looks pretty big.
Which dog? Oh, Chancey, go, please, run. Miss Mabel can outrun you too. Oh yeah, that too. Right before they go to sleep. Nope, not quite.
What I said yes for the night.
Yeah, no, this is the ice cream for the night right here. This little running they doing. Chancey, go, please go. Let the dog be a dog. He's walking. She's walking right now. Let her walk. Go, Chancey, go. I think I'm gonna end up having to get him a puppy. And I'm gonna get the smallest one possible.
That's what I thought.
With no hair, and just a little bony puppy. Little chihuahua. Somebody.
This thing, I said, I need a nice little dog with no hair.
Yeah.
Now she's this and there's hair.
God, dog.
Dog vacuum, you know.
Yeah.
Wants to do the extra.
Yeah, I believe that. That's what I can't have. Them in the dog is too much. Go, guys. Okay, I quit talking to you. Cannon, keep running. Chance is enamored with Miss Mabel.